Hey guys, it's Nemanja and today I want to show you one really cool way how you can create amazing, eye-catching Instagram stories, posts, Facebook posts, Pinterest, YouTube covers, or basically any kind of design that you need fast and easy using Adobe Spark app. There are two versions of the app, one is for web, another is for mobile phone, and they're practically the same with that difference that the web version has a branding option so you can set your brand logo, color palette and font and later use it both on the phone and on the web. With just one click you can have a consistency in all of your design, of course, if you want that. And the mobile version has animation options, so you can animate your text and photos that the web version still don't have it. And also there is paid and free version of the Spark, and of course with the paid version you will have some benefits as you can see here on the screen. Right now let me show you how you can create Insta stories using the Adobe Spark app on the phone fast and easy. First you need to open Adobe Spark Post app and this is how it looks. It's really nice, easy and simple to use, and it has more than 20,000 different templates that you can choose from and modify them however you want. And also you can make your own starting from scratch, basically from blank piece of paper if that's something that you want. You have feature templates, premium animation, collage, seasonal, lifestyle, business, school, travel, food, craft, and also you can search for something custom that suits your needs by entering keywords in a search bar. So I will type animated text and search for that, and we have a plenty of animated text templates. So let's go back and I will use this one because I really like it. I need to click on it and now I will be able to edit it. This is how it looks when it's animated, but now I can change everything that I want. I can change the font, the color, the background. I can add some photos, videos, add more elements, do a lot of crazy stuff, but we will not go so crazy. For this example, I will show you how you can really easily change something here. So I will click on the text, double tap it, and now I can just delete it and type my own text and press done, and this is how it looks. If I press this small play button, it will animate it and I can move it, make it smaller and bigger, rotate it, do whatever I want, but I will put it a little bit more up. And if I go down and scroll to these options, I can go to styles and change the style by rotating this wheel, and I can just scroll it and use something that I like. I don't need to have some kind of design skills. I can just use the Spark presets that they have it. So let's see, let's go back to this one and I will go to font and I will change font actually. I will use, let's use some cool font, maybe this. Yeah, I like this. So let's press play, make awesome Insta stories easily. Great. Then I can go to spacing and I can increase the spacing between the lines or decrease, and also between the letters, but this is how I like it. And I don't like this train. I will click on the train, press delete, delete it, and now I can add something else like text, image, video, icon, sticker, logo. We will do that later. I can change the colors. So see this brand part, this is my brand colors that I already put it on the web app, so I can have my brand colors here, or I can choose between plenty of color palettes already offered here. So let's use this one for example and just switch, click on the shuffle button and choose maybe this looks cool. I will press done, and also I can change the texture back there, move it, change the opacity, color, etc. And also I can replace it to any other texture that I want. Instead of that one, there are plenty of texture there, an icon and whatever you want. Also, I can change the opacity of the texture if I want. Maybe I don't want so visible, so something like this is cool. And then I will add a sticker because this will be an Insta story and I want this to take us to our video. I will go and search for swipe up sticker. So let's go with this one. This looks cool. And I can move it, make it bigger or smaller, zoom it. Actually, let's click on it and go to edit, go to scale and make it a bit smaller, move it a little bit down. And this is how it looks. Let's press play and this is how it looks. And now we can go again, click on the text and go to the effects and add a shadow right here. And here we can go and change the opacity and direction of the shadow, but I think this is pretty cool. I will press done, maybe less opacity, press done, and this is it. Now let's press play. This is really cool. Maybe I want to change the animation, so I can go to animation right here and change to something else. Maybe I want something like this, or maybe something like this, or maybe make awesome Insta stories easily. Whatever you want, this is cool, but I like this one. I will press done. And now guys, you can save it and export it and publish it to Instagram. But if you want to have this exactly the same thing, maybe for an Instagram post or maybe for Facebook cover or whatever, if you want to have it in different size, you don't need to worry about the size anytime here. You can just go to resize and maybe you want like Instagram post or maybe you want like Facebook cover. No problem. Let's press play. Awesome. It will be there. Or maybe you want something like Snapchat. You have it there too. Or some custom sizes here. Of course, you can just type your own dimensions and press done, and that's it. So you don't need to worry about these things. Spark will automatically resize everything for you. Now you just need to go and export as a video animation if you want to have it animated, or as a still image if you want to have it just as a photo, and you're done. And then you will have it saved in my post section among the other stories that you made. So for example, I made this story as introduction to night photography. This is how it looks with my branding applied on it, with my font, my colors, my logo, and that's it. Now let me show you really quickly how to apply the branding thing. First, you need to choose the template that you want to edit. I will use this one just for this example. And now all I need to do is to go to a brand icon down below, choose a brand that I want to apply. In this case, I have only my own brand, but if you're doing this for clients, you can set as many brands as you want here. Choose one of them and just apply it. Click on the button and this is it. If you click multiple times, you will scroll through different colors in the same color palette until you're satisfied with the look that you have. And that's it. Now I applied my own style, my own font, my own logo in upper right corner with my own colors, and this is awesome. Right guys, so that's it for today. I really hope that you like Adobe Spark app as much as I do. So in case you want to start making some really awesome eye-catching design fast and easily, this is really cool way to do it. You have the link down there in the description. Check it out, sign up, download the app and start enjoying these beautiful possibilities that Adobe Spark provides. Have fun, experiment, and see you in my next fun episode. Bye bye.